In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file with a specific person in SharePoint Online. SharePoint is a powerful tool that makes collaboration and sharing documents within your organization seamless. However, when it comes to sharing files, it's crucial to control who gets access to ensure confidentiality and security. To get started, first sign in to your Microsoft 365 or Office 365 account. Once you've done that, navigate to your SharePoint site where your file is stored. This is usually accessed through your organization's main dashboard or a direct link to the specific site. Once you're on your SharePoint site, the next step is to open the document library. This is often labeled as Documents, but it might have a different name depending on how your organization has set things up. The document library is essentially a hub where all your files are stored and where you'll find the document you wish to share. Now, locate the file you're looking to share. You can simply hover your cursor over the file, which will reveal a circle to the left. Click this circle to select the file. Alternatively, in certain views, you might see an ellipsis, or 3 dots, next to the file name. Clicking this will also give you the option to select the file. With your file selected, look for the Share button or icon. This is typically located at the top of the page or within the ribbon menu. When you click this, a sharing dialog will appear. Within this dialog, choose the option for Specific People, which might also be labeled as People You Choose or People You Specify. This choice is important because it ensures that only the person or people you specify will have access to the file, keeping it secure. Next, you'll need to enter the name or email address of the person you wish to share the file with. Whether they are someone within your organization or an external contact, SharePoint allows for both scenarios, provided your settings permit external sharing. After specifying who you want to share the file with, decide on the level of permission you wish to grant. You can choose whether the person can simply view the file or if you'd like to allow them to edit it. There might also be options available to block downloads or to allow for comments and reviews. So choose the settings that best match your needs. Before you send the invitation, you also have the option to add a personalized message. This can be a helpful way to explain why you're sharing the file or to provide context. Once everything is set up, click Send. The person will then receive an email notification that includes a link granting them access to the file. If after sharing the file, you want to manage or revoke access, you can easily do so. Just return to the file, select Manage Access or a similar option to view who currently has access and make any necessary changes. This flexible access management is one of SharePoint's key advantages, helping you maintain control over your documents at all times.